Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your headphones SONY XM6 using your phone. All you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And the second one, at the right ear cup, at the bottom, we have USB-C port, so connect it here. Near to the port, we have this LED light, so it means that your headphones is charging. And it worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.